let's get straight into this because we ain't got time for an intro. If y'all want information about me and all that good stuff, down below in the description, y'all just click on that. But I want to get straight into this because I do not color personally, and I don't feel like I'm good at this. So I wanted to do this look, and I bought all the stuff and watched as many like YouTube tutorials as I could to achieve this look. I really didn't want to record because I felt like I was gonna mess up and the end result was not gonna look good, but I ended up recording anyway, so I'm gonna explain it to you. Okay, so I started off with a 613 wig. I dipped it in purple shampoo like a while back, like maybe 2 months ago. I put it up on display. Nobody wanted to buy it. So I was like, okay, let me call my client and see if she wanted to do something crazy. So she said she did, and that's what we did. So yeah, dip your 613 wig in some purple shampoo and make sure you get that color first. These are the semi-permanent colors that I decided to get. I got them from Cosmoprof. You have to be licensed to go into that store and buy. I never used these before. I usually use Adore and that other brand that starts with a T that you just get at regular beauty supply stores. This is some kind of like stuff that you use like you use foil, but it's not foil. It's like this kind of I don't know how to explain that, but y'all see it. Okay, so I didn't record like the first strands that I did because I just got discouraged, and I decided just to push through and record it anyway. So I'm trying to go exactly on how the picture looks. So I am starting off with a light blue at the top, the little teal or whatever it's called. So you definitely need to spray the hair first so that the color can sink in there. I start off with the light blue, and then I'm going to go into the navy blue. I really don't think, now I'm thinking back, I really don't think I should have used that navy blue. I think I should have just went into black, but I was just scared of my coloring blending skills, and I didn't think that was gonna blend really good, so I needed an in-between color, I felt like. So I'm putting on that blue. I definitely am using my fingers to blend it in. I saw somebody do that. I also saw somebody put a space, a little gap between the colors, and it blended better for them. So that's what I'm doing. I also keep a towel next to me so I can wipe my hands every time so I don't get color anywhere else that I don't want it to be. Then I'm going ahead with that black. I feel like I should have just had the blue and the light blue and the black, because in the picture it looks more black, and my end result did not look too much black, and that's one thing I would fix if I could go back. So honestly, that's kind of it of my technique. I really just try to eyeball it where I want it to lay, pertaining to where her facial features are, like where her eyes is. That's kind of where I started to end the blue a little bit and things like that. So yeah, this is my struggle, guys. So when I'm done with that section, I just put that paper thing over, and that just protects the color from getting anywhere else that I don't want it to be. As I go up more each section, I just bring the color up more, like my little pattern that I'm doing. You just don't go all the way up because, like in the picture I showed you guys, it doesn't have that light blue as the root color. So I try to blend that as much as I can. So you see I'm kind of blending it up and not touching the root so much. Okay, so I'm done. I let that sit for like 30 minutes and I washed it out with cold water. I did kind of section by section horizontally. I took my time so the color wouldn't bleed. Everybody said, oh, the color won't bleed, the color won't bleed. But I'm just making sure because ain't nobody got time for that. That would cost too much money to be playing around. Okay, when I was done rinsing it out, I went back and I decided to put more of the black because I feel like it was not showing like the picture. So I took a little bit bigger sections and I just went and put the black right there and blended it out. That's what you see me doing right now. So after I was done trying to add more black, I let that sit for another 30 minutes and then I washed it out again. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. I do all types of hair wig content. I'm trying to do more natural hair because I'm trying to tap into that world, you know, for myself, for my own personal needs, because I need to tame these naps, okay? Go ahead and follow my pages too. They'll be down in the description. And buy from All in One Collection because you know we're the best. We sell quality, period. Of course, looking at this, I think I needed to add way more black and less of that dark navy blue. But I love the finished result. You know, she looks beautiful. It definitely looks similar to the picture I was going for. She got her makeup done to match the inspo. So, yeah, this look definitely turned out great. Thank you guys so much for watching.